What RPM are you running at?
396.
396?
Yeah.
So this lathe is mostly for hogging material. It doesn't run at a high RPM, correct?
1500 is the
Right, so it's a hogger. It turns to standard threads or standard and metric?
whatever. Up to 112 IPM.
Can I see the carriage move?
Yeah.
And like to see the lead screw turn if I could. See, make sure the half nut works. Everybody wants to make sure the half nut works.
Cross slide.
Oh, that's a cross slide, okay.
Threader.
There we go. So that's the threading now?
Yeah.
Okay. Oh, that is turning. Hold on a second. I want to see it turning. It's tough to see it turning. There we go. I can get it turning. That's what I wanted. Very nice. That's good enough, bro.